So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GO75 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile phone. And dial natin is *143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then after nyan guys, piliin natin dito is yung number 5. So yun yung go. So itatype lang natin is number 5. And then tap send. So dito guys, piliin natin is yung number 2, which is yung GO75. So type natin yung number 2. And then send. So ayan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng GO75, makakakuha tayo ng 5GB for all sites na data, plus only all net calls and text. Valid na siya guys for 3 days. So 75 pesos lang yung magagamit natin dito na load. So para mag-subscribe, type natin is number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GO75 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!